How to get Word on Windows for free. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some legit options depending upon what you need. So let's just dive right into the video and follow out the process to get Word. So you cannot legally get the full desktop version of Microsoft Word on Windows for free, but there are some workarounds that you can follow. So you can use Word in your browser without paying. That is option number one. So we can open up a browser and go ahead and search for office.com and open it up. And once we open it up, here, go ahead and sign in with your account if you need to sign in. And once signed in, you can just go over and type in Word and open up Word here and you can start typing and save online. It is free, saves to OneDrive, works on any PC and needs internet. Apart from that, we can use free trial of Microsoft 365. Microsoft sometimes offers a 1-month free trial. So what we can do is we can go to the Microsoft and type in 365 website and hit enter and go to the official site. And if there is a free trial available, we can just go over and look out for that and install the Word on your PC. And it's only free for a limited period and requires payment method cancel before billing. And there are free alternatives as well, no cost and offline. If you need something just like Word, what we can do is we can use another option such as Google Docs is one of them. So you can use and download this one right here. Or we even have the PS Office as well. That is also an alternative that we can follow up and go ahead and download it up on a device. And that's it. You can avoid cracked Word download random activation keys and you should be able to download it. So that's it for now, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.